I got this pack of 200 laminating sheets. So this is Amazon Basics. Previous to this, I've only ever used the Scotch brand of the laminating sheets. And I'm really excited to say that I can't really tell a difference. So this is the Amazon sheet. I'm gonna just stick it in my laminator and it runs through really nice and smoothly. It comes out looking really good and it just gives a nice laminated finish. I am cutting these apart after they're laminated and I haven't seen any peeling from the lamination. I wanted to show you really quick. So this is a massive bulk box because I am getting stuff ready for our homeschool year. One thing I do love is that one of these sides is sealed. So it's like a little, kind of like a little pocket. You can open this up like this, slide the paper into there, close it up, and then when it's laminated, it looks really nice. So this is what it looks like laminated. I'll show you. It looks really good. Honestly, I can't tell a whole lot of difference. This is a touch thinner than the Scotch ones that I have used in the past. I believe this is a 3 mil, and I think I had been using like maybe it was a 3 mil actually. It feels very similar, but maybe just a touch thinner. And it's not a huge difference. Like it's not enough to buy name brand for me. So if you're looking into these Amazon pouch, laminating pouches, highly recommend it. They're fantastic, a great substitute. It's a lot cheaper, and buy it in bulk if you use it like I do.